Hello fitness friends, and welcome to November. We're almost all the way through the year and we've reached one of my favorite seasons. I love the fall, but it can be a little bit stressful. So this month we're going to focus on how to have a joyous holiday season and also keep our stress levels down and our happiness meter up. For today's first part of November workout, I've created a flow for you. I call it Root and Rise because what it does is addresses everything completely aligned to our bodies. So we've got some strength, we've got a little bit of cardio, we've got some balance, and we put it all together in an easy flow that you can do in 6 minutes. You can repeat it if you want a longer workout, but trust me, even with a busy holiday season, you can give me 6 minutes a day. Let's get started. Our format for this workout is there are 6 movements, and we're going to do each movement for 40 seconds, and then we'll have a 20-ish second transition in between movements. The movements in today's workout are all very easy. Modifications if you need them. We're going to start out with cat-cow. That is on the ground, but you can do it against a chair or seated or even on your bed. Then we're going to move into a squat and reach. If you need to do the modified squat to the chair, that's absolutely fine. After that, we're going to move into a push-up. Any of the modifications, against the wall, against the counter, on your knees, whatever works for you. After the push-up, we're going to move into the glute bridge, again on the ground or on your bed, absolutely fine. While we're down there, we're going to flip over and do some bird dog. Really good core, really good balance. And we're going to finish up with some high knee drives to stretch out our knees and hip flexors. So let's get right into the workout for today. Down on the ground for the cat-cow. Remember, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. You're just going to slowly push up through your knees and your hands, and then let that sink and reverse that stretch. Do this very gently. We're warming up here. And then transitioning back to a standing position, and we're going to go into our squats and reach. And when we do the reach, we're going to open our arms, open our chest. Take a good deep breath. So here we go. Good squat position. Hips go back first. Squat and reach. When you come down into the squat, resist the urge to fall forward. Do a nice squat and then reach. If you can only do a quarter squat, or if you're squatting to a chair, absolutely fine. As you do this movement, you'll find you'll get more and more flexible. You'll be able to get deeper and deeper with the squats. Exercise number 2 done. Now we're going to move into our push-up. You can do this any way you want. Against the wall, against the countertop. I'm going to go to the floor and do the knees. Remember, you still want your wrists under your shoulders. And how deep you go depends on your mobility. We're not trying to see how many we can do here. We're just trying to keep going. If you need to stop at any point, stop, get your rest, get your breath, take a drink, come back in, especially if you're doing multiple rounds. Okay, we've done our push-ups. We're going to go into our glute bridge. So flipping on over here. Hands down at your side, roll your shoulders under, push up from your hips. I like to inhale as I go up. And you can pause at the top. Again, the slower you do this, the more benefit you get from it. Squeeze your glutes together. Glute bridge. We're going to flip over for the bird dog. Again, knees under hips, wrists under shoulders. Opposite hand, opposite leg out. And pause. And back. And out. Pause. Back. When you do a pause at the top of a movement like this, it tells your body this is the alignment I want. And now we're going to transition into standing again and finish up with our knee drive, which is kind of like a cool down for us in this workout. If you want to position yourself near a wall, if your balance is a little sketchy today, that's quite all right. We're going to come up and down. Up. And as we progress, what we're going to do is we're going to go 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Notice you really have to activate the core and hold it up there. Can we do 3? Again, position yourself near the wall if you need to. And done. There's your 6 minutes. If you have more than 6 minutes, go ahead and repeat this entire workout once or even twice more. And guess what? You can do it different times during the day as well. You can do it once in the morning, you can do it once at night, you can do it at lunchtime if you have a few minutes. Every time you do it, you get the benefit from it. Thank you for joining me for this first workout of November, and it is the first workout in the November 21 Day Challenge, the Gratitude Challenge. So link is in the bottom. If you haven't already joined in, join in. We've got a lot more like this with movement, exercise, stretching, meditation. You're gonna love it. So feel free to join us. Click the link at the bottom. If you're already in the challenge, this is day 1 for you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. This really, really helps us continue to bring you this kind of content and more fun stuff. Holiday season's coming up. I've got so many incredible plans. So be sure to subscribe, click the bell so you get notifications when I upload videos. And most importantly, I'll see you right here next time online.